Ladies and gentlemen, President and CEO of Mercedes-Benz Canada, Brian Fulton.
I'm excited to be able to give you a quick overview of what Mercedes-Benz EQC, which will be the first fully electric Mercedes-Benz vehicle under our EQ line. It is the forerunner for an EQ lineup that by 2022 will include all electric options in all key segments from smart to large SUVs. Making its Canadian premiere today, ladies and gentlemen, the Mercedes-Benz EQC SUV. With its avant-garde electric look, the EQC is a trailblazer for design and function. Inside and out, the EQC embodies the design idiom of progressive luxury. This describes the conscious clash of digital and analog elements that the seamless merging of intuitive and physical design. It features an all-new drive system with two compact electric drivetrains, one at each axle. These give the EQC all-wheel drive and together generate an output of approximately 402 horsepower and a combined maximum torque of 564 pound-feet. The EQC comes equipped with Mercedes Me Connect, which gives customers convenient access to charging stations operated by numerous providers, making electric mobility convenient and suitable for day-to-day living. Unmatched when it comes to its impressive combination of quality, safety, and comfort, the EQC is truly a Mercedes-Benz among electric vehicles. Today, in conjunction with the Canadian premiere of the EQC, we are seeing the Canadians the EQ Ready app. This simple app helps Canadians to understand, based on their current driving habits, if they are ready for electric mobility. The app keeps track of driving routes and demonstrates to users how trips would impact their state of charge.